CEXIO exchange pricing. Explain what you get for your money. CEXIO is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, but most people get its pricing wrong. They assume it's full of hidden costs. The surprising truth is that CEXIO has a clear, tiered fee structure that balances affordability with advanced trading features. For standard trading, fees range from 0-10% to 0-25% depending on whether you're a maker or taker and your 30-day trading volume. For instance, buying 0 of Bitcoin as a taker might cost 50. Higher volume traders get reduced fees, making CEXIO competitive for active users. Deposits in crypto are free, while fiat deposits via card or bank transfer include small, transparent fees. Withdrawals incur standard network fees, with no hidden charges. The surprising truth about CEXIO is that it combines simple pricing with professional tools. You get access to real-time charts, margin trading and staking options, all within a platform that's accessible to beginners. There are no monthly account fees, and all trading costs are displayed clearly before you execute a trade. In conclusion, CEXIO offers strong value for your money. Transparent trading fees, free crypto deposits, clear withdrawal costs, and an easy-to-use, feature-rich platform make it ideal for both new and experienced traders. If you want an exchange that's predictable, affordable, and functional, CEXIO is worth considering.